About this item: video game product compatible. This is a 2-in-1 data/charging cable, is suitable for PSP 1000, 2000, 3000 series, PSP 1001, 2001, 3001, and the latest E1000 model. Also supports PS3 DualShock 3 controller if you still have one. Transfer what you need from the PSP system to the PC. Used to transfer music, movies, save games, etc. Is durable. Not compatible with PSP Go version. If you pursue quality, please choose it. Video game convenient to use. The TFSeven PSP charger replaces the PSP original power outlet AC adapter charger forever. With this USB cable, to carry a bulky brick adapter is not an option anymore. Simply wrap this cable in your PSP case for easy transport. Video game data transmission made of the high quality wire core, durable and sturdy, which reduces resistance effectively. 100% compatible with PC USB file transfers and data syncing for PlayStation 3 console. Best compatible with PSP memory stick adapter for anyone willing to copy .iso and other files to your PSP. Video game safe and durable. You can charge your PSP by plugging into the USB port on your laptop/PC, any smartphone USB charger with proper voltage, 5V1A2A, or a powerful charger for faster charging, wall charger, car charger, portable charger, or charger dock. Video game multifunction usage: 2-in-1 USB